Happy Black Friday, y'all. From Craig and Melissa here with the Bickums and Small Town Wreath Shop. I hope everybody's having a blessed Friday, a blessed Black Friday. Hope you're having some fun, finding some deals. This is the typical Black Friday for us, just working, packing orders, y'all. This is just me. Thought y'all might want to come hang out with me while I'm out here packing orders. Just getting everything set in the box. This is kind of how we have to do things. Not too fancy. Make sure we get all your product in the box and get it good and situated so it's not moving around too much. And if hoping that the box size that we get everything in nice and tidy, nice and tight. This one here, the box actually was definitely the right size. Then we write down, this is how I keep up with it. We write down the order number and the initials of the customer. That way when I close it up, I still know which box it is once I start printing labels out. So that's just a little tidbit there, but it's pretty simple the way we do things. It works for me. I don't know how you do it. Leave it in the comments. There's my phone whistling. Leave it in the comments, y'all. If you let us know how y'all do it and what works for you. Get everything taped up. And no, y'all, I don't skimp on the tape because I don't want you. We've seen what happens during shipping, and I don't want your packages to be all completely open stuff. If this going to get open, they've got to literally jump on it and possibly open it themselves if it gets to you and something's missing. So we hope that doesn't happen. I would rather spend just a little bit more in tape than have you get your package and it not be like it needs to be. So we got that one done. I'm weighing it now. Then I set it to the side, and then I get the next one. Grab the next one up. This one, it had to be, whenever they order the 21-inch mesh, we have to have a box long enough to hold that mesh. So that was a 22 by 14 by 6 that I'm actually gonna cut down. I don't know if y'all cut your boxes down, but absolutely need to be doing that if you're planning on saving any money, because it definitely does save you some money, y'all. You'll see me cut it down in a minute. But let us know in the comments how your Black Fridays went. We're not really doing anything. My wife's got to run to Walmart, but she's running later, so we're not really going to be having anything to do with the Black Friday sales. She may see something, I guess, you know, in there that she might want to pick up, but you know, I don't think she's going there to just get anything in particular. And I'm gonna get everything put in this box so I can kind of look at it. I gotta see what fits where and just how far down I can actually get the box cut. So you'll see me, I kind of, you know, get everything in like I want it, then I got to pull it all back out so I can kind of get it down a couple inches, and hopefully that's enough, which it worked out fine. You know, I kind of just look at things. I've gotten to where I can kind of tell what box, what size, what I need to be doing with it, and getting it the proper size. You know, you get your boxes down as much as you can to save on those shipping costs. Those shipping costs are actually, you know, they're pretty high. Everything's going up, y'all. That's my phone whistling. My wife is texting me right now while I'm recording it. So I'm gonna have to text her back. She's sending me some pretty pictures of her, y'all. She's made up. She's getting ready to go to Walmart, and when she gets all made up and she feels good, I don't know if y'all ladies do that or not. For your guys, when she feels good, she likes to take a pretty picture of her and send to me. And I like it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm glad she thinks of me. So I'm cutting it down. I actually get this box cut down about 2 inches. Which is, you know, 2 inches doesn't seem like a lot, but it does make a difference, y'all. It absolutely makes a difference. I was scoring it with my little tool there, and then I take my box blade and I cut the corners down to the little score mark, and then you can just fold it in. You get it folded in. I'll get everything laid back in. Make sure that everything doesn't get really smashed, but I want it to be tight. I want everything in it to be tight. I don't want it moving around too much if we can help it. So I'm gonna get it all in there. And y'all, it takes a little practice at doing this. The more you do it, the better you get. But we take pride in shipping our stuff to people that I don't want it getting all scratched up, beat up, all that good kind of stuff. So just take a few extra minutes, you know, and make sure that you've got something, you know, your packaging's really good. When they get it and they're like, you know, yeah, they took some extra time in this. You know, they can absolutely tell 100% that we do take a little pride in our shipping, which we're really glad that we do that, because we get a lot of y'all telling us that y'all stuff shows up great, nothing's wrong with it. So that makes us kind of feel good. So let us know in the comments if you've ordered from us at smalltownwreathshop.com and how it was when you got it. And if you like this, y'all, if you know, I know it's kind of boring, but if you get any value from this video or any of our other videos, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel and help our channel grow, y'all. We really appreciate it. I hope y'all have a blessed Black Friday, because this is when I'm putting this video out. And we will see y'all next time. So y'all have a blessed one. Bye, y'all.